back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. So today I'm here with a protective style tutorial for you guys. You guys know I love a protective style, and as of right now, butterfly locks are the craze, and I see why, because they are so friggin' cute. They really are. So personally, I love crochet locks because it's a fraction of the time that it will take you to get any other braids, and also the weight factor. They're always so super lightweight compared to your traditional braids and locks, so it's always a win. These locks are from ToyoTress. I have reviewed crochet hair from them quite a few times, and honestly I will say they are hands down one of the best crochet hair companies around. They are based on Amazon, so you get your hair in no time. If you have Prime, you get your hair in no time. The quality is always amazing. I've never ever gotten crochet hair where it was just a complete fail or a miss. You guys honestly love those tutorials as well. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look to give you kind of that individual look, but not really, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I have already prepped my hair for these butterfly locks. Now if you have your own crochet braiding hair pattern, do as you see fit. For this look, I kind of wanted to give myself like a individual look in the front a little bit. So what I did is I did part off a small section in the front and I did individual braids, and for the sections that were bigger than to do one individual braids, I would part it into sections, plait one section, and then join it with the other one and plait it. So it kind of gives this look of a cornrow, but it has the parts in the middle to give you that individual look really quick. And then for the back, I just conjoined it into cornrows going back, and I'm left with these three big braids right now, which I am actually going to braid up as tight as possible, and then we are going to crochet it through the bottom to get that tucked away. So that's what my hair is looking like for the moment. So the hair that I will be using for this tutorial is by ToyoTress. I have reviewed crochet hair from them numerous times, and you guys all love those videos. Those videos get so much love because honestly, I will say they have really great quality crochet hair. I will give them that. So in your packet, you get 7 packs of hair, and in each pack of hair, there are 10 crochet locks. So in your package, you will also get a crochet needle. So this is the hair straight out of the pack, and they're not rough. They're very soft to the touch, which I really like because I don't like locks that are too like rough to touch. They're actually very soft in texture, and you can see the butterfly effect on these locks. They're so freaking pretty. Can't wait to install these. So now for the front of your hair, when you're doing your braids, you can definitely use edge control to make your parts like more neat, more snatched. Okay, you guys, so the loop on these are actually pretty decent, but if it's not big enough, you can always scrunch the hair down more and make the loop bigger, because you are going to have to grab the hair and pull it out. So that one's pretty loose. We're going to go ahead in this very first one and put that in the loop. Pull it through and just pull it through the loop, and then you just tighten this, and there you go. Just gonna keep doing the same things, so 1 lock per braid. With crochet, you can make your hair or the hairstyle as big and as thick you want. I don't want too much, I want just enough. So literally you just keep going around and doing the same thing. I'm just doing the front first to get the feel for it and the look, and then I will go in throughout the back to basically place the rest. Okay guys, so this is the final look from it. Literally took 2 hours, a little bit less, and I now have this beautiful style which I am loving. So this is what it looks like from the back, and my earring keeps falling out. So if you guys are feeling this look, if you like it, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you found this video helpful, definitely share it with anyone you think it may help. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe for future videos. And until next time, bye loves. Mwah.